Hi guys, it's Mopian here, and I'm going to show you how my epic crane works. I built it maybe a year ago. Welcome back, all Mopian fans and some new newbies. I'm going to show you how it works today. So let's get to the functions. So first, you have to turn this on. I think it's to the left, yeah. Then for this, as you can see here, it shows this is for moving the arm. See, if I put it forward, the arm will go down. If I put it backwards, the arm will go back. Okay, that's for that. Then you have to move this here, see? And now it's for going forward and backward. Okay, back. There it goes, backwards. Front. Yeah, it's forwards. Okay. Move on to next. Lever. Here we've got moving the. Here we've got this thing to pick up and move stuff around. For that one, you use this. See, if I put it forward, it's gonna go up. And then if I put it back down, backwards, it's gonna go down. Okay. So if you move on, if you push it to the left side, as you can see here, for turning the crane. So if I put it backwards, you turn to the right, as you can see it's turning. Forwards, turn to the left. Okay, so that's how my crane works. Thanks for watching, guys. Just click subscribe for this video, and you can watch more of my videos. Please like this video and like all my others. Thank you for watching.